Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take a look at the companies making the biggest moves in pre-market trading. Tesla's stocks dropped 7% after reporting net income and earnings that fell 20% short of last year's numbers. Tesla CEO Elon Musk cited an uncertain macro environment that could affect people's decisions to buy cars as a cause of their losses. IBM stocks fared better than Tesla, climbing 1% on the news that the company had beaten earnings estimates. Refinitiv reported that IBM posted adjusted earnings of $1.36 per share, higher than the expected $1.26. Their revenue, however, came in beneath expectations. American Express stock slipped 1.3% after the payment company reported adjusted earnings per share of $2.40 for Q1, lower than predicted by street account analysts. The company still topped expectations in revenue, coming in at $14.28 billion instead of the predicted $13.98 billion. F5 software sector stocks dropped 7% after a mixed second fiscal quarter earnings report. F5's earnings per share totaled $2.53 and their revenue totaled $703.2 million, neither figures meeting the expectations of FactSet analysts. The company also announced they would be reducing their global headcount by 620 employees. Bath & Body Works stocks dipped 3.7% after a Piper Sandler downgrade to neutral from overweight. The Wall Street firm cited persisting margin pressures and a lack of potential upside as the reasoning behind their downgrade. Las Vegas Sands rose 5.5% following the news that their adjusted earnings per share totaled 38 cents for Q1, exceeding analysts' forecasts. The company's impressive financials also extended to their revenue, outperforming expectations. Less successful were companies like AT&T and KeyCorp, whose stocks fell 4.6% and 3%, respectively. AT&T missed analysts' total revenue expectations but did manage to slightly edge out earnings expectations, whereas KeyCorp fell completely short, posting an earnings and revenue miss for the first quarter. In better news, D.R. Horton stocks jumped 5% after their second quarter earnings and revenue beat anticipated earnings per share and revenue expectations. Finally, Alaska Air stocks fell 1% after they reported a wider than expected first quarter loss of 62 cents per share on $2.2 billion of revenue, worse than the 48 cents per share loss analysts expected. We'll continue to monitor these companies and many more as the day progresses. Be sure to tune in next time for another update on the day's financial news. Until then, have a great day.